Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is 7:41 a.m., June 7th, 2018. What I have today is a NuTone Verandah Deluxe with the 5-piece light kit. It has the variable speed knob, and light kit's pretty interesting. It has these little keys, and you can turn them to adjust the direction of the lights. At least that one you could. Oh well. Yeah, as far as the light kit, you can have just the sensor globe come on. You can have the 4 direction lights come on, or have all 5. So I kind of like the look of all 5, but try to see if you can. Okay, that drowns out the look of the fan itself, so I'll turn those on later. For now, I'll start off just turning the fan on. Start it off on high. Put it down to the variable setting, which is the second pole. And the spin down. And I'll show you guys the lights one more time. Pretty ornate detail to this fan. Love the cane blades. I want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching this video. If you could click like on this video, I would greatly appreciate it. Also feel free to check out my Facebook page of the same name, also called the Fan Cave. Mark Wilson signing off. Good night and good luck.